a business page on LinkedIn has always been pretty difficult to grow over the past few years. If you're an individual person, you get pretty good reach, pretty good engagement, but business pages, it seems like, have a really hard time growing there. Now there's a feature, and it's been out for a while. Every single person connected with an association, business, whatever it is, can invite their friends to like that page. We did it the other day. So take the time and strategically go through your list and invite 250 people. The next thing you can do is, if you have 10 employees, make sure that they put on LinkedIn that they work here or that they are an employee of your company page, and then they can do the same thing. They can invite people. And then the last thing that you can actually do on LinkedIn as well is, if someone shares a post from that business page, you can highlight it. It's not necessarily resharing, but you can send out a notification saying, hey, this post just got shared. So those are some organic tools that you can do right now on LinkedIn to help your engagement, to help your reach. And same thing on Facebook. You can actually invite people to like your business page. So if you want to grow your organic following, if you don't want to be too heavily reliant on those paid ads, that's one thing that you can do. And that's what we do for our clients.
Yeah.